Hey guys, Monday, June 24, 2024, Bitcoin. Let's see what's cooking under the hood. As you can see, we just been consolidating since March and it's breaking down. Now there's a lot of support in this area, especially here, right here. Anywhere between 57 all the way to 53. It's not a bad idea maybe to dip your toes. I gotta have to look at the cycles and seasonality. But the halving didn't work out. It was a lot of head fakes, and now it's selling off. But keep an eye on it, because I think maybe there might be an opportunity. I have to look at the cycles and the seasonality. But this is an area of interest right here. Looking at our simple glance, and mind you, this is the futures. You can see we got a MACD on the monthly crossover. You can just see it was just pure chop fest here. The trend is still up, but weakness is settling in. You're above the cloud on the weekly. You got PPS sell signal, and you broke the mobile band, which is 63. You got a, S1 pivot right here of 60,000. You got the linear regression channel here, so maybe this could hold. But if it doesn't, this is probably the sweet spot if it ever gets down here to dip your toes in. And you got 49,000 here as a 50% level. Value area high, whether this is 5 years. Yeah. So this could be some interesting area here. But, may bounce here. Looking at the daily, you can see that we already overextended. And I'm sure there's going to be some bottom feeders showing up. But the MACD is negative on the weekly. It's negative on the daily. You just cracked the cloud. So in the short term, time frame, there is weakness building in. This is an area that you want to probably keep an eye on also. Looking at the daily chart, right? This is a daily chart. Angie's pitchfork. We open this up. There's zoom in right here. You can see that there is some kind of support there. Maybe the bulls will show up here. And that's just using these pivots from here. It exploded up here, pulled back, found support here, failed here, and now let's see if this holds. If this doesn't hold, chances are it's probably going to test at least 56. And if 56 doesn't hold, it's probably going to test this area right here, anywhere between 49 all the way to 53. And lastly, look at our midpoint chart. You can see that we got a PPS sell signal on the weekly. You got a target here that you could look at, which is 59 or 59,000 there. That's a pivot. That's an extended pivot. Mobiles are negative. And on the daily, which is the monthly, you can see that its key pivot here is 50, which is a 25%. If that doesn't hold, your next one will be 50, 58. But everything is negative here, even the mobiles. On the 4 hour, you're very overextended because this is a weekly pivot, and you already broke right through 61, and things are still looking negative there. Looks like it's kind of bouncing right now. It's what, 61? Yeah, so there might be some bottom feeders showing up here. And on the 1 hour chart, you're very overextended. So you need to at least close, either regain your midpoint of 64 or get back into at least 62. Regain all that and hold it for maybe a possible turning point here. I'm going to sign out. Hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin, but I almost got caught in the frenzy of buying for the halving, but I was like, the cycles are down. It's kind of risky. And that's that. I'll leave it at that. I'm sure maybe it's going to find some support somewhere, but as of right now, it's not looking too good. I'm going to sign out. Hope you liked this video, and I keep you posted on my thoughts on Bitcoin.